Yes, if you try to look at the video of Rush song challenge on TikTok, it is now this video is now number one. It is trending like crazy. Yes, I just thought of this hairstyle and I'm like, let's just try to do it. Like most of the times when we don't have wigs and would want to do something that is natural and very unique, what can we do? So I just want you guys to give me a time so that we watch this video together, because most of the fans were on TikTok, they thought maybe I was it is just an edit, so I had to bring back the video so that everyone could see the details on how I did this hairstyle on short hair. So let's get it on.
Maurice, the crochet master.
Right, yes. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching, wherever you are. Yes, we're going to start with the got to be spray. I know all of you guys know how this and know how this, this. Those was always do the wigs, and you know what it does. Yes, and after I'm bringing my still the got to be gel, so that I try to make this sleep, because since it is still in the natural format, so we're trying to make it we'll try to make it to sleep down. Yes, those ones who don't have this be gel or the spray, you can use those holding sprays that they hold so much, and I already see others that are using the hair burns. I think it can look also fine, although for it is black, it may not bring this natural look, so that's why I had to choose to use this. So when I'm done with that, I'm just trying to draw the lines of the baby hair. I'm just imagining like this hair is long, so these are the lines that we always put the inside, like when we are trying to do like the baby hair lines, these are the lines that are always there. So I'm imagining that my hair is long, like after when the gel is when you have just applied the gel. So I'm going to bring my synthetic braids, like those ones that are used for braids. Yes, you can use like the easy braids, they're very nice for it. Then I try to apply them here, but now I'm using mostly the tips of the braids, because the tips of the braids, the way it appears, or like when you try to look here, it looks more natural. You understand, it looks more natural. So those are the ones I try to apply on the gel that I've applied first. So after doing that, I'm just trying to follow the other lines, you understand. So like the way we always apply the baby, like the always draw the baby the baby hair, or the styling, that those ones always style the hairstyle that goes behind. We always do this. So I'm applying my gel, following like those lines that I have made. So since there are 3 lines, so I'm just trying to add the gel following those lines so that I can add on my extension. So you just have to add on like very careful, and you make sure that it is there like this. Sorry, I just have to put it there, but I'm applying with adding with the tip first, so that it brings that natural look, you understand. Yes, you don't just bring it in the middle, so you just have to hold on the tips so that you add on very nicely. And then I'm trying to make sure that it is all firm. So if you try to look at it, it is trying to make that natural look. You may think that is her hair. So then here still, I'm just going to add it there slowly by slowly. You see, like this. Yeah, this is my first time. It's also becoming very hard for me, but I think when you use, you will just know what you're supposed to do. Yes, after applying all that, you make sure that your gel is very nice. It can hold this synthetic hair. So when I reached here, like that, those people who always apply this the wigs, and they leave this hair down. So I also have to bring it this way. You understand, to make it look very, very natural. So as you can see, that still I apply my gel here, so that I bring it for it to look that natural. So if I roll it this way, you can see how it looks already. So on this side, since the hairstyle that I'm going to do is going to be on the side way now. Yes, it's going to be a sideways. So this side, even if I don't uh, make it that neat like the other side, it doesn't matter. But I'm just trying to add this side just because I want to join them together so that they can give me the hold, how the hold, like to help me, like it's where my extension is going to be held. So I have to make sure that I get the like the two sides, that like combine them together, so that even when I'm pinning my hair, it is when I'm pinning the hair, it is already showing where it is. Sorry, when I'm pinning the hair, at least I will be pinning on something that is not plain, like the way you can see her hair, you understand? So that's why I had to do the two sides. So after doing all that side, what I'm going to do is try to separate them, since they're all there, and I bring the other one, I plait it, I make it into three, so that when they combined here, when I'm going to add my extension, I'll know that it is very firm, since all this hair is done there and it is firm. You understand what I'm trying to bring out? So this braiding it this way, so that it can look very nice and natural. So let's look at this. So like when I'm done with that, since I told you about the extension, so I just have to add this extension like this. Then I pass through my braid, like the other one had braided, to see that it is not moving at all. You can see how it looks. So I'm just trying to make sure that I pin it very well, because the only stand that I have, I would call it a stand or a base, is only like where you're seeing this hair. So even my pins, I have to pass through this hair, as you're going to be seeing that I'm doing. So I make sure that I'm not seeing anything, it is too plain. So excuse me, like all my pins are supposed to be passing through this extension. You can see it is now firm. It is somehow flexible, but it is firm. It cannot go off. So you just have to be sorry, like don't feel it wouldn't make you uncomfortable, think that it might come out. No, it is firm already because of the other hair extension. So when I reach here, I just pin my the pins this way, so that it they can be firm for the since now here on top, the natural hair is a bit coily. So when you try to add on these hooks, these pins, they don't come out. So I just first put them once before adding the extension. So every crochet that I'm adding, I'm just pinning it below the other pins, so that so that it doesn't come out. I just continue pinning them, and the good thing here, I had added on my the other extension that I used with bond. So here it feels like here I'm just going to be pinning, but I don't make it to overgo inside, so that it can remain with some or with some little space that I can pin with this on the other one. You understand? So now I continue adding on like that to see how it is gonna come out. So this is the way. I just have to keep on pinning my to pin it this way so that it brings the other good look. So on this one, still I'm just trying to I'm going to do it this way so that my finishing is still on top, in that it is trying to hold this extension behind. You understand? Like from down, it is trying to hold it. So all that I'm doing, I'm trying to make sure that it is firm. You understand? Like it is firm. It doesn't it is not like it is not over like I'm trying to make my clients to feel comfortable that this thing is firm. It's not going to come out. You understand? So all that I'm doing here is like I'm trying to get the support from the top center so that it comes out very nice, and this is the way that I'm going to be continuing. Yes, big shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Just know that I love you so much, and my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I would like to shout out everyone. And please, if you're still new here, yes, you're most welcome, and we do upload videos every week. That is the good thing of us. We always upload videos every week, so feel free to go in my comment section. Yes, type what you feel that I can do for you. Yes, and I see how it's gonna be. So when I'm done with that, I'm just going to put some a little bit simple makeup, and here we are good to go for the simple makeup. That is another tutorial for that. But yes, we shall try to make sure that we see some tips and for our good finish. Yes, for the good finish for our client. So this is what I got for you, and trust me guys, it is really lovely. So those ones with short foreheads, no need to get scared now. Just know, even if you don't have a wig, you can still have something that is very nice and perfect. Oh yes, I got you. I love you so much. My name is Maurice the Crochet Master. Bye bye for me. I gotta sign out.